seizure record. Click the green seizure record button from the medical reporting tabs. You have the option to create new seizure data here on the left, or you can view on the right any seizure data that has happened prior to this event. You can also create a date range search, setting your start date and your end date. Click to view the selection will bring up just the data for that date range, and then again the click to view all button will bring everything back into view. Also over here you have a quick access to the emergency contact information. So if I click to create a new seizure data by clicking on the green button, it's going to open this record for me. I'm going to select the date that the seizure happened by using the calendar drop down. I'm going to select yes or no that there was a seizure today. Some agencies track the no's, so that's why that field is there. You can use it or not. It's your discretion. At the time, I'm going to use the example of 10:44 a.m. That is out here to the right. I'm going to set the duration of the seizure to 2 minutes. And this you can type correctly. Was the individual awake or sleeping? How many hours did they sleep post-seizure? 2 hours. The seizure type, was it clonic, complex partial, simple partial, tonic, unknown? I'm going to select unknown. You do have a value list here that you can create, so you can create a new and type in subpar. Once you select close, now it's available to everybody. You can see the subbar now shows up in the drop down, but I'm going to click unknown. My loss of urine or bowel control was no, and my location at the time of the seizure was home. You can be more specific here in the notes. So over here to the right, you have the option to put some narrative in. You can put what happened before the seizure, what triggered the seizure, if you know, what actions you took after the seizure, any medications that you administered, and any observation notes. And then you also have a seizure rating scale from low, medium to high. So I'm going to say this was a medium type of seizure. And then the last thing I need to do before saving is to put in my signature. I'm going to click mine. It says it's been added to this report. I will say okay. It says it's been signed and who it was signed by. And then the last thing to do is to save my data.